And now the news in detail. Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Chief Executive Member Titos Tarwell Kine has reintroduced the much-anticipated Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022 on the first day of the Council's summer session today. Presenting the report of the Executive Committee on the bill, Kine said that the bill was first passed during the session held in November 2018. He informed that the bill was taken forward to the Governor for his assent but was returned for reconsideration along with a message. The Council then constituted an advisory committee on law and traditional affairs to re-examine the bill. The KHDC CM further said that the Executive Committee, after going through the report of the advisory committee, decided that the KHDC Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2018 should be recalled and replaced by a fresh bill with some modifications as advised.